Oh, Mr. Cloud, you're late. Me. We were on fucking TikTok. That counts. That fucking counts. No, it doesn't, Mr. Cloud. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Yes, it fucking counts. So, anyway, guys, welcome to the show. We're on fucking Battlefield 4 tonight, the good one. I fucked up the schedule. I know. Oh, Mr. Cloud, it said Deep Rock tonight, and we're expecting Deep Rock. Yeah. Calm your tits. Anyways, this stream is brought to you by Nature's Remedy. And after I'm done puking in the toilet from the fucking hiccups, I want to introduce to you the fucking owner of fucking Nature Remedy, fucking Plan B.
Howdy y'all, I'm glad to be here. I hope I can satisfy your CBD needs. We have Delta 8, Delta 9, and Delta 10, located in Marble Hill, Georgia. Look us up on Facebook at Nature's Remedy and we'll tell you everything you need to know.
Yes, and you can get high in North Georgia.
That's always a plus.
I'm Biggs. There we go. Come on. They're probably trying to take down the Battlefield 4 servers
Here,
to
hold on,
make
I'm gonna go
Battlefield
switch out microphones real
2042
quick.
look good.
That could never happen. There's nothing anybody can do to make
There's
that
no
happen.
way. There's no fucking way possible. There we go. Quick match.
I have a whole list
At
of
least
servers.
you suck at fucking everything.
West of your location appears to be an
Oh
enemy
yeah, how about that? Suck it.
So run, bitch!
God damn it. That's right, just shotgun to pepper the fuck out of the helicopter. Wow, Mr. Cloud. Oh yes, we're getting closer. We got the. Oh, you went with the goose game.
I'm always an asshole on this time with that shit.
Watch out, here we go. That's right, Jet. Get fucked. Get fucked. Where'd he go?
Fuck you, Jet.
Again. God, that's good.
Not to mention getting high with the plumber.
Oh, shh. Quiet, Blandon. That's not. Shh. It happened. For some reason, Plumber wanted to get high. My controller just died. Everyone saw that. That's why I died. Alright, let's take an objective, for fuck's sake. I got a hit on him. He's down.
Внимание, все слушайте. South of your positions, there's enemy LAV.
That was good.
Got him. Got the. Good. I like this. Well, we'll see if I like this map. This one used to be a good one. It used to be a good one.
Got him.
They're shooting at me. There's another one. Nice. See him. Got him. Inside. I'm down.
Oh, damn.
Just stay alive. this motherfucker?
Here's your med kit.
He picked me up. What the fuck is this? Fuck, I got one. Get fucked.
Objective Charlie.
Watch out.
Oh shit.
Watch out, Plaid. There's one right there. He's down. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. What's up, bitches? Fucking 271 to 0. Wow. Wow, guys. Biggs doesn't love us. We're helping you out. We got him.
We just took objective Echo.
Get fucked. Hold on.
Pick it up.
You're up. It's a boat now. It's a fucking boat. God damn it.
Oh, hello LAV, thank you.
We lost objective Charlie. I say again.
That's
we have
right,
lost objective Charlie.
motherfucker. To the hill.
Oh, I see you up there.
I have eyes on a hostile machine gunner. On your location.
Yeah, black no offense. Fuck you, asshole.
I need you to attack this objective.
Oh, fuck yes! Just a straight shot.
Watch the right.
Aye.
Objective
Watch
Charlie
it.
is now under our control.
Hold on. Where's that coming from? Yeah, they're holding that hill. He's dead.
I have eyes on a hostile boat east of your location.
We're having a nice infantry warfare right here. Fuck these assholes. Get fucked!
Pick it up.
Stop sneaking, bitch. Be in front. Their parents dropped the pussy. Okay, I see
Own
them.
objective Alpha.
Get fucked.
Here's your med.
Watch out, those fuck down there. Throw some fuck down there. Gotcha. I got help. Don't worry, I'll get you up.
Objective Foxtrot is
Oh fuck, there's a bunch of them.
Coming, I'm watching. Hold on. It's gonna be a brave moment. Get the fuck up. Get the fuck up. Back up.
Can't go anywhere! Man down! Here's your med kit.
Someone's up here with us.
Where?
Just by the entrance to the left. Coming up the slope.
Objective Charlie
I see him. I got you up. Hold on. I got reload. Fuck me.
I'll watch the slope. Don't
We
wait.
have taken objective Charlie.
Bad. Hold on. We gotta break this tunnel.
Here's your med kit. Pick it
This
up.
isn't fast. This isn't crime. I told you.
Taking heavy fire over here.
So far.
Neutralized.
Yeah, we're really close.
Spotted a hostile soldier. Objective Echo is now armed.
Get wrecked.
Hostile soldier spotted. There's your mate.
I'll get a nice kill at the end. Little steal. Let's check this. Oh, we might make it through C, yeah. Okay, on. Move it up. Why did you do that, Mr. Clown? Oh, I want to see what's going on. Oh, shit. Die, motherfucker! Get fucked. Coming to you. Watch the bottom, fuck. So the teammate just runs away. Get that bitch. Coming, Hamster. Hamster, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Again, we have lost objective Charlie.
Turn around. They got fucking C.
Objective Delta is under our control.
God damn it. Fucking both fuck. Oh, yes. Counts as a fuck.
Hostile machine gunner. To west of your position.
Boom. Push up that fucking hill. Right in front. Killed up. We got more fire. We got more fire, Big. Yeah, I know it. Yeah, motherfuckers. I know what y'all are doing. I'm ha 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 ha.
Here's your man.
Where'd he go? Oh. They're disrupting push. Oh, we won. We won. What's up, bitch? What's up, bitches? A victory. Right there. Look at that motherfucker jump.